My dad introduced me. I've always played just messing around a little bit when I was younger, and I didn't start getting serious about it until my brother was in high school and I was in 7th or 8th grade, and I wanted to start playing like him pretty much.
What was it that sparked that passion for, okay, I'm going to get serious now?
I think my brother had success when he was a freshman, and I remember going out watching him golf, and I wanted to be a part of that too when I was of age and stuff like that. So.
And now that you're golfing, you've been golfing in high school, you're going into your 4th year.
Mm-hmm.
What do you find the most enjoyable part about the game?
Just the challenge of, trying to master a sport that's, you can't master. And it's really fun trying to, figure out different ways to play the game. And it's enjoyable, it's very fun, and it's different from all the other sports because, like you said, it's by yourself and you really have only yourself to lean on.
Now, something pretty exciting just happened for you. You got sponsored by Buckeye to play in the Pro-Am. Tell me about that, how you found out, and what were the emotions that you felt when that happened?
I had no idea, and just something that I've never been a part of and able to do before, so I'm really looking forward to it.
Well, my past 2 years as an athletic director at Start High School, been fortunate enough to work closely enough with BCSN, and Tom Cole called me back in March and had this great idea. And he said, hey, do you have anybody in mind? And he goes, oh, hey, wait a second, I remember your son. He made the state tournament last year in Division II. And he said, would he be interested? I go, Tom, I don't think you need to say any more. He definitely would be interested.
I was actually golfing, and I got a text from my dad, and he told me, and I was actually really excited. And
I think he responded in about 2 seconds, and he says, oh my gosh, that would be amazing, yes. So. He's been on cloud nine ever since, so he's very excited.
And how about you as his father?
I'm very proud of him. He is he's turned into a very nice young man, and as a father, that's what you're most proud of. He's matured a lot over the last 4 years, both as a young man and as a golf player.
I know you mentioned your dad introduced you to the sport, and your brother played before you. Who do you think is the biggest influence in your golfing career, your young golfing career at this point?
I'd say probably my father. He's just teaching me the game, and I've always liked to go out and play with him and compete against him and try and beat him whenever I can. And I'd probably say my father.
Buckeye, I can't express my gratitude enough to say, for the offer to allow my son to play out here. It's just very, very much appreciated, and we look forward to working with you, in the future. So thank you very much.